Here in this video we will show you how can I set custom limits for my reseller services from WHMCS. If you would like to apply custom limits for your reseller service from your WHMCS itself, then in that case first of all log into your WHMCS admin dashboard and then go to setup product services and then again product services. Now from here select any one of your reseller product and then click over edit icon given in front of it. Now go to module settings and then here you can see that there are several options related to a reseller. Click over switch to advanced mode. Now from here you can define WHM package name, web space quota that you would like to allocate it, other details like bandwidth limit, shell access, front page extensions, cPanel theme, limit reseller by number. You can also limit the reseller account by number of cPanel accounts that he can create. Reseller disk space is the space allocated for all his cPanel accounts. If you click over allow overselling, this means that he will be allowed to sell more space than actually he has. In the same way, fill up other information like max FTP accounts, max email account, SQL database, max subdomain, max parked domain, max add-on domain, etc. Once you have filled up all the information and configuration related to this WHM reseller package, then finally click over automatically set up the product when you manually accept a pending order so that you can deliver the WHM content manually. If you would like to automate it, then you can simply select the first option. Now finally click over Save Changes. In this way, a new WHM package limit has been assigned for a particular product, that too manually from your WHMCS. Now if a client purchases this plan, he will be able to check the limits through his client area access from his cPanel account or from WHM reseller. So if a client is going inside services, my services, and then clicking over that service which is meant for that reseller. Now on the left hand side, if he clicks over login to WHM, then he will reach his WHM page. Now from here under create a new account, he will be able to see how many accounts are left that he can create. The other details will be visible inside login to cPanel interface. So click over login to cPanel and then on the right hand side you will find all the details about his cPanel/WHM. These are the max allowed number of email accounts and other details. These limits will prevent the reseller to create anything beyond it. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you want to host your WHMCS website with a reliable hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.